Hey, what's up, guys? So today, this is after ES compilation number 3. Today is Friday, March 27th, 2026 at 11:56 right now. About to turn 11:57. So, Knightstown, Siren. I'm recording Knightstown, Siren from my house. Henry County is going to test. They test every Friday at 12 noon. So, got my radio right here.
Frequency mode.
It should get signal. If it doesn't, I'll take it off and I'll bring it outside. But I also have my Handcrank siren right here that I will be using after the siren goes off. And that's how the siren goes off. I will go outside and do it. So, yeah. It is now 11:57. I have Vox off on this, so I don't accidentally transmit because that's illegal. So, Knightstown's frequency is, or Henry County's frequency, if you want to listen to it, is 155.130. My dad is in Spiceland at his work. He is on lunch right now. He usually takes lunch at 12. And he is recording Spiceland Siren, the one right by Mr. Fuel and Mr. Fuel and Flying J. So, it is a Century 7V8 siren. This one is, the Knightstown's is a Federal Signal 2001 130 siren. It is in pretty good shape. Both are in pretty good shape. My alarms are going off. It is 11:59. They should be testing any moment. You're going to hear the alarms in the background. It is now 12 o'clock. Well, I'll get ready to turn. Here we go. $12. Spiceland should be going off right now on the third tone. There goes Knightstown. Yep. I would do my Handcrank siren after the siren goes off, like, ends. It is cold outside. What is that? What is that? Huh? What is that? Here comes the loud part again. What is it being? Oh, the table got blown over by the wind last night. Okay, it should be canceling any second now. Now it's gonna cancel. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. It is now 12:04. I can faintly see it over there. The head. Test successful. It failed a couple times last time or something. So I had to contact them about it. Yep, you can hear my alarms. I'm gonna do the Handcrank siren now. Just like a short alert. Okay. Here we go. Okay. I'll shut off the alarms. Why the heck Handcrank is on channel 6 again. That's a cool music alarm thing. Okay, that is all the alarm shut off. It is now 12:07. Test successful. I will contact my dad and ask if it went off. So, but for now, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.